You know, ladies, I think it's not a good night for me tonight, because FB keeps on, I think there's something wrong. I'm not so sure what would that be, but, I'm so sorry about that. It keeps on kicking me out, okay? I was not, I was actually,
Bigla lang nawawala.
naglaan siya nawawala pa. And then it would say, your broadcast has ended. Oh my goodness, I did not end my broadcast. Okay, so I apologize for that. That we're encountering technical difficulties. I think this is from FB side. Our Wi-Fi is okay. All right. So there's nothing wrong with our Wi-Fi. So I'm so sorry. Our viewer has dropped to 2. Sorry po.
Bali, subukan natin yung sumbagan.
I think we need to.
OBS.
Yeah.
Paggamit tayong software.
Okay, so thank you so very much for your patience. It has been happening, nawawala. Thank you, Donna. Kanina nawala din ako, Donna. They just kicked me out, okay, from the broadcast. I don't know what happened, but I hope you could share my live. Okay, nawala na naman ng mga tao. I only have Donna here. So, I'm so sorry. I think I'm encountering technical difficulties for my last. O, kamamain lang ni Vivian. Buti na lang na-mine na ni Vivian. I'm not so sure where Vivian is. Vivian was also, nawala na rin si Vivian. I'm so sorry about that, Vivian. It's out of my control. Okay. It's out of my control, but I'm trying my best to actually give you what I have left for tonight.
Kasi ito, mag-copy ka muna.
Ouch!
Habang hinintay mo sila.
Okay, it's okay, Papa. Oo.
Mag-copy ka muna.
Thank you, Pa. Alright, so, what a night. Diba? What a night. But, Ate Imelda is bumalik. So sorry about this one. Tingnan nyo, grabe. What's happening? Oh my goodness gracious potato. Okay. Nagmamadali na nga tayo because of our time. And yet, it keeps on bothering us. Okay, hindi bale na mga ladies. Okay, may ibibigay ako sa inyo ngayon para doon sa mga natira na lang ngayon. Okay, hold on. I hope you will like it. All right. Do you need bangles or anything that you want? No, na hindi nyo pa nakikita sa store natin. Alright, do you still need anything? Because this is also waterproof. Hold on po, ha? I'm giving you all waterproof tonight. All waterproof tonight, okay? If I say waterproof, it's really waterproof. Okay. So, I will do by colors, okay? By colors. Ayan po, nakita nyo po. If you are actually looking at this one, hold on, ladies. This is super gorgeous. For tonight. Hi, Hi, Res. How are you? For tonight. Teka, sandali ha. Mahal ito po. But I'm giving this a special deal for those who are still with me tonight. Okay? So, hold on, my dears. That one is selling for actually $18 wholesale because this is waterproof. I am only giving this one for only $8 tonight. $8 tonight, okay? So if anyone wants this, all right, $8, I'm going to give a code for this, okay? I will give a code for this for $8. Mine 015. Mine 015 for $8. Mine 015. Pagtapos na po ang October, Black Friday, this will actually be, I will put it at wholesale price of 15. Okay, the $8, I'm giving that as a factory price, okay? $8 for this, mine 015. All right, mine 015. Next. Hi, Res. Baka may magustuhan ka, Res. Mine ka lang, ha? Res, alam mo, hindi ko na makita yung minayin mo na nakaraan. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun, Res? Oh my goodness. Hindi ko na makita, Res. Baka meron kang ano, Day. Baka meron kang screenshot, Day. Okay? Baka may screenshot ka. Hold on lang po, ha? Okay, yours po. Meron po tayong mystery minor. Okay, may mystery minor po tayo. Okay, she wants this one. She wants this one. Hold on lang po. Hold on lang po, Miss Mystery Minor, ha? Okay, ladies, kumuha na kayo. $15 ito. I'm going to give this one $15 next time. Pero ang wholesale po nito is, if you get 2 or more, $12 po, okay? But this time, ibigay ko ito $8. So, ito introductory prices ko lahat, okay? Introductory prices ko ito lahat. So, if you are, ang bagal ng tendera niya, sandali po. Nagkakaroon ng difficulties yung kamay ko. Tanda na kasi, ano ba yan? Alright, so $8 this one. Marami pa pong darating, okay? So, pero, hindi na po ito. I'm not so sure if this is going to be maganda pa rin next time, okay? So, ladies, okay, this one, tingnan nyo ang likod. You can use the likod and the harap, okay? So, if anyone wants this one is a 015. It's 015 for that, okay? Mine now, okay, para at least you have items na for only $8, okay? $8 for that. Okay, I have one minor. She wants to get the 015. Okay, next. Meron pa po bang may gusto? Let me know po kung meron pang may gusto na iba. Okay, so this one, Miss Mystery Minor, it has plastic cover. It has plastic cover, so you need to peel this off. Okay, to actually make sure that the black is visible. Okay, so this one is yours, Miss MM, for $8. Miss MM, can we have a screenshot of your $8 clover? Okay. This one is $8. Miss MM, 123 321 123 123 321 123. Thank you. Next. Okay, 015 for Vivian. Okay, there you go, Vivian. Hold on, Vivian, ha? All right. This one is for Vivian. Anyone still wants the $8? 015, $8. Okay, this one is yours, Vivian. Okay. Ang ganda po nito. Ayan, oh, ang ganda po nito. For only $8. This is waterproof, ladies and gentlemen. This is waterproof, 18K plated, okay? This one is yours, Vivian. 123 321 123. Thank you. Okay, next color. So we're done with this. We will give you another color. So we have the diamond and the black. Okay, this is a combination of diamond and black. We'll get to another one. Okay, hold on. We'll get to another color. Okay, next stop is this color. It's a combination of diamond and then this green thing, okay? This is also waterproof. Okay, ako naman ang makulit, ano? Sabi ko, hindi ko na yan, ano? Okay, that one is only for $8, okay? So if anyone wants this one, hold on lang po, ha? I have an older code for this. I just didn't actually check, okay? So if you want this, the code for this is 32, okay? Look at the price po. $18 po yan. I'm giving it for $8 tonight. Grabe. Okay. So, alright. This one is actually for only $8. Mine 32. Okay. Mine 32 for $8. Mine 32 for $8. Next. Another color. Okay, hold on po. I'm getting this next color. Grabe, this one is a good time for you to shop. Don't forget our October, our October Black Friday, early Black Friday sale will end on October 31st, okay? All right. So this one is another waterproof, okay? This is another waterproof. Take a look at this one. All right. Okay. All right. This is super gorgeous, okay? This is a super, super gorgeous, ladies. This specific style is only selling for $6. $6 for that. If you want it, mine 60. Mine 60 for $6. This is super cute. Okay, it has diamonds and a gold stone in the middle. Okay, for $6, mine 60. Next, I will be faster po, ha, because I'm 13 minutes away before I say goodbye. Good night. Okay. Okay. So 015 for Ate Imelda. Okay, Ate Imelda, gotcha. All right. Is this the one you want? Okay. Ate Imelda 015. Okay, this one is yours. Keep on mining. Okay, keep on mining because I still have that one. Keep on mining. Okay, mine 60. Okay, mine 60. Ria, I'll check. Okay, real quick, but I think I only have few of those. Okay, I'm so sorry. So for this P015, it's $8 for Ate Imelda. Okay. Ate Imelda, can we have a screenshot of your items po? All right. This one, Ate Imelda, is yours. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then Ria wants to mine the 60. And she said, do you have 6 of them? Let me check, Ria. 1, 2. Ria, unfortunately, I don't have. I only have few items that came in. I don't have that much, but I have different colors. I'm not so sure if you want. I only have 2 of this. Oh, I don't have 6. Okay, let me check. Let me grab if I can definitely give you some of the, items that have 6 pieces. Okay. All right, but I don't have it. Okay, so my recommendation is, I don't know, it's up to you. You give someone, hold on, mga wala pa rin talaga. It will not, hindi, it's not sufficient because you need 6, right? Hold on, I'll check my little bucket one more time. Don't you want to give them something like paperclip necklaces? Okay, because paperclip necklaces is really gorgeous as well, but I'm not so sure. Or paperclip bracelet, because these are waterproof. Okay, so if you want to give them this one is gorgeous. Okay, ayan, the paperclip. All right, and I am selling them at a very good price right now. I have more of this. Okay, you will not run out of this one. I'm only selling this one for $3. Okay, I'm selling this one for $3 only. The paperclip. I have more than 6 of this. And I also have necklaces, paperclip necklaces. Okay, so if you want this, I can definitely give you more if you want those kinds. And then I also have, hold on, Ria, I'm trying to actually check. Yeah, the only thing that I can give you with lots of pieces right now is my my paper clip. And I have also BVL. I only have 5 pieces though. Oh, okay. I have BVL like this. I only have 5 pieces. This is so gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Okay. They are going to love this. Okay. I only have 5 pieces, but I can give this other one. I only have 5 pieces plus. Okay. This one is the 5th piece, okay? And then this one is white gold. This is the 6th. I'm not so sure how you're going to do that, but this is the one that I am recommending. It's so gorgeous that they would simply love it, okay? Because you gave a tip for the ring. I think now this time he need Bulgari, okay? Okay, I'm just saying, that's just a recommendation, okay? Because that's the only one I have right now. Let me know, Ria. Oh, okay. So, hindi ka ba nagmamadali? Okay, so which one you need that I want? I think this one is no longer available because I did not, I wasn't able to actually get more of this. So, what kind of necklace you're looking for. Sige, isa-isahin muna natin. And then, we're gonna be jumping on. Okay, so, let me check again. Okay. The BVL is $8. Okay, this one, the BVL is $8 only. So, if anyone wants this, hold on. If anyone wants the BVL, just mine 163. Okay? Just mine 163 if you want the BVL for only $8. Mine 163. This is waterproof. First time that I ever have a waterproof BVL. Okay? Okay, someone mind the other, this one. Okay, I'm gonna give that. Hold on po, ha? We have a mystery minor. We have a mystery minor and she mined this one. Hold on lang po, Miss Mystery Minor. Okay, this one is only for $6, okay? She wants to mine this one for $6. Okay? Let me know what kind of brand you want, Ria, ha? So mapaghandaan ko yan, okay? Because I'm going to put in another order this week, over the weekend. So let me know which brand you want, and I'm gonna send you some other samples, okay? I'll picture, para at least I can help with your ano, ha? Okay. So this one is for my mystery minor, okay? This one is for her. No worries. Okay. All right. Okay, so this one is for her. I'm giving this one for $6 only. Code 60, okay? Code 60 for $6. Hold on po. Oh, you want clover? I have a lot of clover. Hold on, tingnan natin kung meron pa ako dito. Ako, nagyabang ako. Baka mamaya wala, ano? Pasensya ka na, Ria. Mayabang ate mo. Sandali. 060. $6 Okay, for my can you please screenshot this one, the clover that you actually, the double clover, Miss this is code 060. Thank you. All right, she also, sandali lang ha, because she mined mysteriously. Mysteriously. Okay, she wants to mine also the BVL. Okay, this BVL she wants. Okay, all right, for the BVL, this is code 163 for $8. Code 163 for $8. This one is yours. Okay, this one is yours, Miss Can you please screenshot? This is the BVL, waterproof 18K plated, okay? All right, this one is $8. This one is yours. Okay, next, she also wants to mine something. Okay, hold on. Okay. Okay, na-mine nyo na po. Okay, so, sandali po ha. All yours. Okay, pasensya na sa aking mga typing. Okay, next item. Okay, clover. Sandali lang po ha. Ang mga clover designs ko. I'm going to send you some actually good items, and then you'll just choose ano for the clover. Hold on, I'll check. You're welcome po. Thank you si Miss si Miss Gorgeous sa akin. Sandali po ha. Okay, I think wala na po akong ganon na wala na akong 6 na ganon. You know what? Hindi ko lang alam kung ano ang motive sa kasal. Okay? Let me know. Kaya lang gold yata ang gusto nila. Okay? Because I have tons of bracelet for the pink bracelet. Okay? Ito po ang ganda ng clover na yan. I think more than 6 of this. Okay? But I'm not so sure what's the motive sa wedding. So I cannot recommend. Alright? So I will be pushing to the next item. Okay. I'm going to give this for $8. This next color. The next color available. My goodness, this is so gorgeous po mga kaibigan. Teka po ha. This one is super gorgeous. Okay. If anyone wants to get this earrings, okay, this one is earrings. The other one kanina is necklace, no? This one is earrings. I'm only giving this one for $8, okay? If you want these earrings for $8, this is the code for this. Hold on po, ha? Bigay ko na rin $6, okay? Okay, bakit ba pinahihirapan ko ang sarili ko? $6, okay? $6 for this, okay? Mine $49. Mine $49, $6, okay? For this clover. All right, next. I have 2. I have 2 pieces left, okay? I have 2 pieces left for $6.49, okay? Bilis-bilisan natin, baka maubusan tayo. Wala na po, dalawa na lang. And I have another one left for the $6 necklace. Biruin nyo, kukunin nyo if you want to get $6, $6. This one is $6, okay? This one is $6, the necklace. I only have one. Mine $60, okay? Thank you. The coffee is good. Makakatulog pa ba ako nito? 7:30 na. Oh my goodness, I think I need to say goodbye. I need to say goodbye, my love. Pero tapusin ko po ito para hindi kayo ayoko naman kayong iwan kaagad. I still have 7, okay? Watching. Next, ladies. All right. This one is $8. Okay? It's a white and mother of pearl and with diamond on the top. 2 clover. $8. $8. Look at the price. I'm giving it for $8. The price is $18. Mine, $62 for this. Mine, $62 for $8. Mine, $62. Introductory price. This is waterproof, okay? This is waterproof. Introductory price, $8 only. Mine, $62. Next. If you want the earrings, I have a separate earrings din po. But they are not, actually, they are not, pwede nyo i-match kasi halos magkapareho sila po. Ipakita ko sa inyo. But they are to be, it was ordered separately. Okay? The earrings is $10 po, ha? Necklace is $8. Okay? Necklace is $8. Mine, $62. But if you want to mine the earrings, it's $10. Okay? $10 for the earrings. Mine, $71. Mine's 71 for $10. Next. Okay, hold on. If you are going to actually mine something and we're done with our live selling, please po, I would very much appreciate if you could give me a separate screenshot, okay? Para mabilis po sa akin, ha? Okay, I have another silver, okay? Sabi ni, may problema yata si Ate Malu sa kanyang ano. Sandali lang po, Ate Malu. Screenshot of my order. Oh, oo nga. Hindi ko talaga makita po, Ate Malu. Ewan ko bakit. Nako. Anyway, at least po nakita ko po yung mga ano kayo sa akin, nag-message kayo. Alright, pasensya na po, okay? Next po tayo. Do you still want me to go? Because I have a green, I have a lot of colors po, okay? I have a lot of colors for the clover. I have white, I have silver, okay? I have silver. Ang ganda ng silver. Okay, my goodness, $8 lang. Oo nga. It's already 7:35. Okay, so I need to actually say goodbye. Kahit po meron pa pong nanonood. So, yeah, one last na po ito. If you want this one, a silver, mine 52 for $8 po. Okay. Okay, so that one is $8. I have colors like red. I have colors like red, gold red. Mine's 60 for $6. Okay. Okay, sa iyo na po. Sa iyo na po itong 60 sis, ano? Sa iyo na po ito. Ate Imelda. Okay, ano ko lang muna po yung nagmamine ha, tapos pahinga na po ako, okay? Alright, hey nako. Thank you so much, Tony. Kaya nandyan lagi si Tony, ate. Okay, thank you, Tony. Tuwa talaga ako. Thank you for your love and support, okay? Alright, so meron pa po. Tapusin ko lang itong nagmine, baka hindi ko sila makita, magalit sa akin. Alright. Biglang nagalit. Ano, ikaw kasi hindi mo nakikita yung mga message namin. Oh my goodness, sorry po, ha. Mine 0.49 for $6. Okay, yung earrings. Okay. Kanya na rin daw. Okay, yours po. Okay, may nag-mystery minor tayo. 49. $6. Okay, sa kanya na po ito. Okay, meron tayong mystery minor, $6. MM, $6 for you. Mine 49 for $6. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is... Okay. Ladies, ang gaganda po ng ating mga clover, okay? I have red, gold red, silver red, gold green, silver green, gold black, silver black. Ayan ang mga color natin, okay? So, next time, I'm going to be with you and I'm gonna show you those beautiful items po, okay? And they are still on sale because we have 1 month of that one, okay? Opo, salamat po sa inyo. Ria, let's talk about your needs ha para makatulong ang GFM for sa wedding, okay? So thank you so much. We also have I also give by the way, for those who have wedding needs, we sell moissanites, okay, at a very, very low price, especially now that I was able to actually get a supplier. So if anyone is interested with moissanite, okay, just feel free to let me know, okay? Thank you, thank you. Hindi na ako magpapakita sa inyo, but I'm gonna see you again next week, Tuesday, okay? Invoices coming out tomorrow, and shipping would be tomorrow for those who paid for this batch too. Kasi ang dami po nating batches, okay? So, I'll see you again, okay? Next time. God bless. Have a very, very good weekend. Thank you.